This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into your Flipkart account and keeping the gift card PIN visible. You'll need it immediately. Once logged in, go to Account, then Gift Cards and open Redeem. Make sure the code is unobstructed and entered exactly. Spaces and similar characters matter. If you received the PIN by email, copy it to clipboard to avoid typos. Once you're on the Redeem screen, prepare to paste or type the 16/18-digit number. Now you enter the PIN into the Redeem field. Paste if possible because it reduces typos. After pasting or typing, double-check characters visually and then click Redeem. The site will process and show a confirmation banner with the amount added or an error if something's wrong. Once confirmed, go to My Wallet or Gift Card section to verify the updated balance. Make sure the credited amount matches the card value so you know funds are ready for checkout. To spend the balance, add items to your cart and at checkout choose gift card or wallet as the payment method. You can combine with other payment options if needed. Make sure shipping or taxes don't exceed your balance. If they do, split payment with another method. If redemption fails, first recheck the PIN for mistyped characters and confirm the card hasn't expired. If problems persist, contact Flipkart support and provide the PIN, transaction screenshots, and your account ID so they can investigate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.